Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another hair video. I'm going to be using my Revlon, I would call this like a triple barrel curler. I don't think that's what they actually call it. I will put a link down below to this, but this basically does the same thing as a triple barrel curler. It is like kind of a, I don't know, like a weird design. It kind of reminds me of, is that the peace sign? Like the little peace symbol or whatever. So yeah, that's what this is. I am going to try this out today on my hair. It is blow dried. I have not straightened it or anything. I'm literally just gonna go in and curl it and see what happens. I already have product in my hair. I think I got this from Amazon for like $22. So like I said, I'll put a link below. I'm pretty sure you can also find it like at Walmart and stuff. But yeah, so I'm basically just going to crimp away. And it's working really fast. Let me see what my setting's at actually. I have it at 25. It goes all the way up to 30, but since my hair is pretty damn damaged, I think 25 will work, especially since this is the first go, and look at that shit, man. Yes, I love it. Okay, I'm literally just gonna keep grabbing pieces and go with it. I'm not even going to section it off. You can if you want to, but I am not going to. This is so fast. I love this. I feel like this would be super cute in a ponytail too, or even like half up. Look at how easy that's working. I'm literally just going in sections. This is so cute. I feel like this is gonna make my hair thicker too, or make it look thicker. Clearly it's not gonna make it actually thicker, but this is really fast, you guys. Look at this shit. This is awesome. And honestly, I only bought this one because it was the best price. Like I could have bought, I mean, there's so many different brands online, Amazon, Target, Walmart, but I really just wanted to get a cheap one that I was hoping would work. And this is Revlon, and it's working really good. I could have maybe held that a little bit longer. This is really cute. What do you guys think? I feel like this is just gonna make my hair look thicker. Like my hair is so thin. I've started taking biotin. I'm trying to make my hair grow faster, thicker, healthier, and in the meantime, instead of wearing extensions all the time, I think this might help out a little bit. I'm gonna speed this up. I will show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so here is the final result. What do you guys think? That went really fast. It's 4 minutes and 39 seconds right now, and I curled my whole entire head. That is awesome. So this is what it looks like down. I feel like it maybe wouldn't look quite as frizzy if I would have straightened it first, but whatever, that is fine. Let's see what it would look like in a ponytail, because I feel like that would be super cute too. Even just like back combing this top part and putting it like in a lower bun or something. This is gonna be super messy, but pop some hair behind my ears. You guys, my bangs are like not even the same length because my hair keeps effing breaking off. Anyway, so here is a ponytail. This is so cute, you guys. What do you think? Tell me down below. Shoot, even like, I mean, I need to get it out of the water. Even doing like some kind of a half up situation would be absolutely freaking adorable. Yes. I love it. Let me know down below if you guys have this, if you like it, if you have a different brand that you like even more than this. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.